Welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon one more time. Right, this is Tuesday session. Hope you guys are doing good. Right, okay, so I would like to welcome everyone. Right, okay, as usual we'll try to see Bitcoin and gold, right, scalping sessions, guys. All right, let's try to wait for a few minutes, then we shall start. All right, okay, guys. Okay, hope you guys are doing good. Right, guys. Okay, hopefully. Right, welcome everyone, welcome. We'll try to wait for 1 minute and we shall go. Right, guys. Okay, so mic is good. All right, okay, so mic is good, all good to go. Right, okay, so welcome guys, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. We'll try to go slow and steady for today. Right, no rush. All right, we wait for a perfect move and we go a sniper move. Right, okay. Dilip Mali. All right, hi brother, welcome. How are you? Doing? How are you doing, Dilip? You doing good? We'll wait for 1 minute and we'll start. All right, guys. Okay, so till then, right, we can see that the Bitcoin is aggressively moving in a side, guys. All right, okay, so yesterday we try to go for the small drop on a downside, and later on we try to go for the bigger moves on a side. Right, guys. Okay, so I have all given you the information. Hope you guys have accordingly planned. All right, guys. Okay, so yesterday, before I leave for the last move, before I leave my live stream, right, I have given you the move. Right, hopefully you guys have done that. Right, okay, so welcome guys, welcome. All right, so this was the move, right, yesterday. Right, without wasting time, let's try to resume what we have done. Small scalp, we have taken it. So later on I told you all, right, okay, above these levels we can plan for the longs, right, which is given exactly a more than 0.7 percentage. Right, it gave you all the high highs and it gave you a huge move on the side. Right, guys. Okay, so you're holding on a BTC sell side. All right, okay, so let's see. Right, okay, nothing much to worry. Right, guys. Okay, everything is going to be fine. Right, so let's try to go and see on a 1 hour time frame first. Right, okay, then we try to come down slowly. Right, okay, 1 hour time frame, it looks a long positions on upper side from this levels, guys. All right, okay, so there seems to be a for a 1 hour time frame, guys. All right, but it might like to play around a bit before it gives you the move. Right, okay, so it is trying to go back to the trend. All right, guys. Okay, 1 hour time frame, this is what we can see in the 1 hour time frame, guys. All right, so market is trying to go back to the trend, guys. All right, so when we can open our long positions, right, we'll try to go for the exact move. Right, guys. Okay, so small move pending is, that is just one small pending levels that is around the zone. Right, guys. Okay, so if it happens to come down below this levels, we can expect the market to drop down. So this is our level whereby we can go for the shots, I guess, right, below this levels, attacking for this move on a downside, guys. All right, okay, so attacking for this move, we can go for it, I guess. Right, okay, if it is going for the shots. Right, but if it is not coming on a downside, what we are going to do it, right, guys. Okay, so this is the question. Right, so it happens to give you other move. Let's try to get inside very accurately. Right, guys. Okay, so small sideways, it have been making you in this levels. Right, guys. Okay, so welcome guys, welcome. Hi, hello. All right, so market, there is a small pending orders on a downside whereby the market needs to fill it up. Even if it doesn't give you all the move to its downside, I guess it should be able to, at least I think it should be able to give you all this move. Right, guys. Okay, so this is what I think. Right, at least till 0.35 percentage, so maximum 0.5 percentage can be trust on a downside. Right, at the same time we'll try to see on upper side as well. Right, or what's happening around. Right, guys. For 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. All right, okay, so all right, hopefully that is not a change in the trend, guys. All right, okay, So there looks one positions whereby if it happens to come down below these levels, guys, all right, we can at least trace for the levels firstly, maybe this zone, guys. All right, okay, so below these levels, right, we have a small move that can be traced on a downside, right? Okay, let's try to take risks, right? Okay, very risky trade, but first target is going to be this one and second target towards this levels. Okay, guys, all right. With a small move, right? Okay, because like it is about to give you the breakouts as well, at the same time it is making a sideways as well, right? Okay, so we'll try to take small risks on the downside. Just a second, right? Just a second. This is what we can see, right, guys? So let's go, guys. All right, for the shots. All right, okay, so maximum levels we can trace up to this levels, right? Okay, so we have a good reversal point from here as well. We need to check on that one as well, right? Okay, hopefully it is not going to change the trend. If it happens to change the trend, then it's going to be boring, right? That's going to be a huge move on a pre-side one more time, guys. All right, okay, so let's see, guys. Anyways, let's expect one small gap is left on a downside for the BTC right now. All right, we need to trace that one as well, right? Okay, so there is a small gap that is remaining around $63,830. all right, okay, so if it happens to come down, right, maximum levels, this is also traced, but 63,000. So overall for the long positions, right, okay, once this is completed, right now it is retesting you all, right, from here. Okay, if it in case if the market happens to jump out from on our upper side from the retest phase, right, on upper side we can go for the longs, right, if there is a no sideways, right, in fact, so hopefully there won't be any sideways, right? Okay, bob these levels, right, and we can target on upper side very long. All right, okay, so upper side target can be, guys, all right, so maybe around, maybe target today is going to be around all right, this is not filled. All right, okay, so maybe 0.71% on upper side, right? Okay, in case if it happens to change the trend, people brought it over here, people brought it over here, people brought it over here, so market tried to take out them, right? Okay, so maybe if it happens to aggressively take it out, right, after that again we are going to plan for the longs, right? So in case if it happens to give you the move towards the downside, right, okay, so we'll wait for the long positions a little bit large, and right, we will try to plan for the long positions again for tonight as well, right? Okay, so we are overall planning higher highs and upper side, right, guys? Okay, so this is what it's going to be. Saugat, all right, hi, welcome, brother, welcome. Saugat, welcome, guys, welcome. 1 hour looks very strong bullish and upper side, but for the small time frame, 15 minutes time frame, there is a small gap which needs to be filled by the Bitcoin, I guess, right, most probably. All right, guys, small gaps needs to be filled. If it comes below this levels, right, then we are going to target this one. So after this, then again upper side move, right? Okay, so little bit of sideways it is been creating in this levels. All right, we can see that one. Just have patience, right? Okay, so at the same time for the gold as well, right, let's try to see for the gold. Gold yesterday couldn't finish up with the liquidations, right, guys? Okay, yesterday it didn't give you the liquidations, I know that one. All right, okay, so there was a pending orders on a downside which was not filled, right? So without giving this one, I don't expect the market to move on upper side, right? Okay, so most probably for the gold also, right, again we might like to go for the one shots, right, on a downside. Okay, guys, one more shots, all right, with the stop losses above this levels, guys. All right, okay, so above this levels, our target is going to be this one for gold tonight, right? Okay, so small liquidations on downside, right? So most probably two stop loss above this level. Stop loss 0.3 versus 1:3, almost 1:3. Okay, so let's go for the gold. BTC, it's playing around like yesterday only, a little bit, right? Might give a small spike on upper side, then it might like to come down. So I think for the BTC, what we are going to do is let's close for the shots for now. All right, okay, so with a small stop loss, 0.0 percentage of losses, right? We are going to wait for the same levels to go for the shots, right? Okay, so upper side, it can give you the one move on upper side, I guess. All right. It is possible to give you one move on upper side. So what we are going to do is, guys, most probably so I think there is a small level of long. I don't know how much it can give you the spikes. All right, guys. Okay, so small levels of long on upper side as usual, right? Okay, and later on we are going to go for the shots again from this levels towards the downside. All right, for the BTC. Okay, very small levels of longs on upper side, I guess, right? Okay, for the gold, we'll try to go for the one move on the downside for now. All right, okay. Hopefully it doesn't breach us, right? 15 by 5 minutes. Let's try to see in 5 minutes. All right. Oh. There is one gap. 40408 for the gold also. Just a second, guys. There is small gap left for the gold as well on upper side. Okay, maybe this can be a possible move for the gold. Little bit confusing over here, I guess, right? Hi guys, Sai Amani, all right, welcome. Raghu Raj, hi, welcome, brother. Okay, gold is also a stage in the little bit confusions whereby the market can firstly move to these levels before it drops all the way to its downside, I guess. All right, okay, before it moves down, gold has a good chances of going up to these levels because it is coming for the shots, right? Okay, so I think you need to wait for these levels, I guess, for the shots, I guess, most probably for the gold. So let's do one thing, guys. All right, okay, we'll try to have very small stop loss over here, right? Okay, for the gold, and we'll try to trace for the shorter ones for now. Okay, so in case if it happens to move up, right? Okay, so we'll have very small stop loss, right, guys? Okay, not very big, right? For now, maybe around this much only, right? We won't take much risks. If it goes in the one direction, one move, it goes, right? Otherwise, we are going to wait for these levels to go up and come down, right? Okay, so at the same time, we are going to have one TP over here, the next TP over there, right? All right, because why, guys, why I'm not trying to take a big stop loss is because one market level is missing on upper side, whereby the market needs to fill up that one before it moves down. If it moves directly without that completing that level, that's fine, right? Okay, so we are going directly towards downside. So while going on downside, we keep booking some profits, so which means a little bit risky right now for the golds, right? In case if 0.08% gets breached, right? Okay, we are going to go for the again shots from here, right? Wait for the upper side move and trying to target these levels. All right, okay, for the gold. All right, one more time, guys, a liquidation is still pending. Okay, guys, hope that is clear for you all. Hopefully, or if you don't want to take risks, you just wait for this move to an upper side and wait for the shots on the downside from here. Okay, so for the gold, I guess little bit of incomplete formations we could have directly taken as well, very confidently, but there is one move left on upper side before it drops all the way towards downside, guys. All right, okay, so it has a good chances of going up to these levels, then only coming down and dropping towards downside. All right, okay, so this is what I can see in these levels for now. For now we take a very small risk with a 0.08 percentage only, not very big. BTC also very minor. I'm not sure for the upper side move right now, right guys, okay, how much it can throw you all, right, but I think it's going to give you a small spike on upper side before it gets down towards downside, guys. All right, okay. So we are going to wait for those levels to go down. If it keeps holding on upper side, well and good. Otherwise we are going to go for attack for the one move on the downside, whereby we are going to aim for 0.59 percentage on the downside, then only we'll try to apply for the upper side move, guys. All right, okay, so you have understood the conditions for the gold. All right, okay, one level is left whereby the gold can attack for these levels, or what you can do is, guys, all right, if you want to take risks, it can be a little bit risky, but you can open your shots from here, guys. All right, okay, from here and plan for this one. Okay, so a little bit more risky, I guess, right? See, now I think it's going to move for an upper side for the gold. Let's try to close this one for a while, right? Okay, so we'll try to take risks only once it gets returned from the top. All right. With the small losses we will be closing gold as well, right? Okay, rather we 0.3 percentage on upper side firstly, and apply for the short positions from those levels and try to go on a downside first, right? Okay. And try to aim for this liquidations on a downside. So one more time, I guess, right guys, it has a good chances of giving you an upper side move. From here we'll try to open a small long 0.3 percentage. From there again we are going to short it and come down all the way towards downside. All right, okay, so this is going to plan. We closed our previous one, right? BTC also, I think there should be a very small move on upper side, then come down, then only, I guess. All right, but in fact if it is a real trend change, then BTC is going to go for the big hike on upper side. But there is a one pending orders on the downside, we can see that one for the BTC. All right, okay guys. Small pullback we are trying to trace for the BTC on a downside. All right, okay. If it comes below these levels we are going to go for the shots. If it keeps moving in higher highs without breaking down, that's fine. All right, very small minor moves that can be possible on the upper side, I guess, then coming down. Gold, I think it is not going to go directly down, it is making small sideways. All right. Firstly a little bit on upper side, then on I think the gold is going to come down. All right, those who are watching me for the first time, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right guys? Okay. Once it clears out on upper side we will be able to take a long on upper side first. Want to take risks, guys? What risks can be? Just a second, right guys, just a second. We'll try to take risks from here, an upper side move. Is it touching up? we firstly try to take small risks on upper side, guys. All right. For the gold, BT short positions wait from here, okay, while going on upper side to do nothing. It can change the trend as well. If it is a real trend change, then that's going to be crazy on upper side, guys. Okay, so let's go gold. Hi guys, welcome everyone, welcome. All right, we are just taking a small risk on upper side. I don't know how far the gold BTC can move on upper side. All right, okay, but we have been taking small risks over there. For the gold, it needs to now follow these levels, right? Okay, so it shouldn't pass below these levels, I guess. All right, small move. तेरे मस्त मस्त दाने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन. I don't know how far the longs can go. If it comes to the zone, we are going to short it. हाय हाय भूटानी ब्रो, कैसे हो आप? या इथेरियम का बताना प्लीज. विजिट पाकिस्तान. हाय हाय ब्रो, वेलकम. थोड़ा टायर्ड हूँ बट ठीक है. गोल्ड में भी एक थोड़ा छोटा वाला पेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स लेफ्ट हुआ है ऊपर, इसलिए हम ऊपर प्लान कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, विदाउट एनी सेंस, विद अ स्मॉल मूव ऑफ breakouts from the trend, right? With that move we are planning an upper side for now. All right, okay. BTC coming down directly, don't want to go on upper side. ब्रेकआउट हो गया तो हम लोग नीचे प्लान करेंगे. Upper side, I don't know, guys. All right, okay. Upper side, how far it can go, I don't know, but in case if it happens to come below, right, it might be a good shot for us, right? Above these levels, don't plan shots as well. Fair. All right, okay. Don't take risks for the shots from the top. Below these levels only we are going to go for the shots, so you need to wait for those levels to clear it out. All right. इथेरियम भी सिमिलर ही होगा बीटीसी जैसा ही, थोड़ा प्ले आउट करेगा ये यार. 1 मिनट का बता दूँ. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. थोड़ा मस्त मस्त तूने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन, मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन। इसका नीचे आ गया तो बाद में एक शॉट लेके कहाँ तक जा सकता है गाइस। या पहला 1 मिनट का इधर तक है, और थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा जैसे लग रहा है मेरे को। नॉट डायरेक्टली प्लानिंग, waiting for the boom on upper side and try to plan on the downside. One small scalp is left from here towards downside, I guess. Okay, so while going on upper side you are not going to do anything. While coming down you are going to plan for your setups, right? Okay, for the Ethereum as well. थोड़ा बड़ा टाइम फ्रेम में देखेंगे। alright, let's see on a big time frame. थोड़ा मस्त मस्त गाने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन, मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन, थोड़ा मस्त मस्त गाने। One minute आ गाइस, रुको। ट्रेंड अच्छा नहीं बन रहा है। We don't see a good trend in this levels, I guess, right? It's forming all sideways, guys. Trend अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है। It's getting squeezed, guys. Ethereum. तेरा मस्त मस्त गाने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन। Ethereum is getting squeezed, guys. थोड़ा squeeze हो रहा है Ethereum तो, in a symmetrical triangle, guys. It's getting squeezed, guys. Alright, in a symmetrical triangle for now, the Ethereum. रिजेक्शन दे दिया। नींद आ रही है गाइस मेरे को तो। बहुत खराब चल रहा है फॉर द 1 hour टाइम फ्रेम। It's not very good, guys. Breakout strategy. Let's try to go for the breakout strategy one more time. All right. I think BTC is coming to the zone, guys. All right, or short zone. Let's try to go for the shots. All right, from now, stop loss above these levels, right, like yesterday only, right guys? Okay, so firstly target, we'll try to TP1 TP2 for the scalpings, and if it goes down we'll try to hold it. All right, okay. gold क्या हो गया? Let's wait down, guys. All right, have patience. We are going to trust some moves. It is couldn't give you the higher highs, but it have made a sideways for you all. 15 minutes, it's cleared. Just a second. Okay. Sideways चल रहा है guys, 5 minutes maybe Ethereum तो good. It went down, went up, right? Noise zone, there's a noise zone for you all, right? Okay, so market came down again, right? Okay, and again market breakouts on upper side, again come down, right? Okay, and it is playing inside this box only right now. After giving you the move, small move on a downside, guys, all right? So over here what we are going to do is, right, in case if it happens to get rejection from the down, right, you can wait for the long positions on upper side. Okay, this is what we can do it, this levels. Otherwise don't look for the positions on the upper side from the down, right? In case if it breaks, right, that can make higher highs if it is breaking out above these levels, right? On upper side we can trace one move on upper side, guys. This is what I think for now with this TP of this levels. If it goes right, we can trace this one. For the downside, as I have told you on the 1 minute time frame, right? Okay, while coming down you're not going to do anything, right? So it have fill up your gap. Your gap is also being filled, almost filled. If it breaks down, we are going to come to this levels 1900. So once it happens to approach to 1900 levels, if it happens to give you the pushback, right, you can aim for the long positions above this levels on upper side and try to go on upper side, I guess, right? Okay, otherwise market try to break out on upper side, right? And for now it is giving you lower lows on a downside, right? Okay, which is this retest phase right now. The market breakout, the retest phase couldn't pass it, came down and broke down from the support, which is making a small bearish on a downside for a 1 minute time frame. So we can just wait for this levels once it happens to finish from the down, right? Okay, if you're going for the good positions. Otherwise market condition is not good for the Ethereum right now, I guess, right? Okay, not very clear, all right, which means you have to stay away for a while on the Ethereum. BTC, right? BTC, what's happening? I mean like gold, guys, gold. Thoda pyar hai. Gold is going super nice, all right? Okay, gold did a good job, all right? So this is the levels you are trying for the gold on upper side, 0.39% on upper side. Okay, gold is going good. From here we are going to go for the shots, all right? For the BTC, it is trying out a little bit fishy, yeah, guys, all right? Little bit fishy. Let's try to trace it, all right, for the downside for now. So above these levels we are not going to hold, okay, guys? We are not going to hold above that levels. So that's going to be the trend to change, right? Above these levels longs are going to get in, all right? Okay, so for that reason we are going to just get out from here. So this levels is for the longs, all right, above these levels. So we're just making a trend change whereby though it looks at the top for your entries, right, in a 1 minute time frame, right, you have a huge profits on upper side whereby the Bitcoin can give you all, if the market change to the trend, right, market has a possibilities to give you all the huge move on upper side, guys. Okay, that is $64,877 and around $66,360 as well. But before that I'm expecting a small move down on the downside. Okay, above these levels we need to long, all right? Okay, so below these levels it's okay, we keep tracing it, right? Okay, so right now what the market did, break out from the trend, right? Okay, broke out from the trend, and you are just playing inside the trend retest phase right now. Okay, so market was trying to break out from this trend, right? Okay, and you are just playing inside this retest phase. All right. Upper side, usually at this time we won't focus much, right? Okay, only on a downside for the BTC. All right. Okay, so in case after the New York sessions, if it happens to give, then you might like to take it. Hi need to be hi guys. All right, again we are taking risks for the downside move for the gold. All right, if you have entered it, book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry, just let it flow, right? Don't take much risks. All right. Okay, because you are in the bear zone, we are just getting the reversal, thinking that what we know, market has one gap over here. All right. Okay, the market needs to fill up that gap before it moves down. In case if it happens to move down without filling the gap, then this won't be filled, right? But just minimize your risks, book some profit, and just let it flow, right? For the gold. All right, if you can bring it up to your stop loss, that's also fine, I guess, right? It's not giving you proper move right now. It gave you a small move, guys. That is around 0.13. all right, 0.13% given for you all. Okay, have minimum risks as possible, especially for the gold. BTC, we'll try to go slowly. Oh. So long positions we couldn't get much for now. I think it needs to fill up the gap. Pending orders remaining around $63,831, guys. गोल्ड क्या हो रहा है? गोल्ड तो क्या कर रहा है भाईजान? Gold will do nothing. In case if it goes up, we are going to take one shots, because even if you take shots from here, it can be risky, right, guys? Okay, if it happens to move for the fill up of the gap. 1 2 3, yes. BTC going good, right? Small scalp, not very. We are aiming for this retest phase, right? Firstly, retest phase. If it breaks out from retest phase, you're going further down, right? Okay, so we can extend with a stop loss at the entry. For the BTC, how much it gives for the pullback, we'll take it. Longs, those who are waiting for the longs right now, your long stands above these levels, guys. All right, for now, above these levels, right? Okay, in case if it reverses from here only, you can take long and go. All right, if it breaks down below these levels, we'll wait a little bit down. All right, okay, so according like yesterday only. All right, we'll try to bring our long down. All right, okay. Gold going good. तेरे मस्त मस्त दाने मेरा दिल का ले गई. Excuse me, guys. All right, gold's nice. BTC is playing around a bit. Above these levels, don't hold your shots. Okay, above these levels is going to be long. All right, below these levels we keep tracing for the shots only. because above these levels means changing the trend. All right, what I told you guys. All right, okay. So meanwhile, right, let me explain you. All right, people brought it over here, gotta move. People brought it over here, gotta move, right? So people brought it over here also, so market might have given a small move, fair move towards downside, right? Okay, it will play around, and so I'm thinking that market might like to give small drop on a downside, all right, and give you the move on upper side, right? Okay. So trying to take out the longs first, right? Trying to take out the longs, then move on upper side. So maybe that without maybe the longs removal can be this much only sometimes, right? For that only we keep ready our long positions also, but from the above zone. All right, okay, only from the levels when it gets out, from the retest phase. All right, which means that breakouts towards the downside is proved wrong. All right, this long means an upper side, guys. All right, the longs are the breakouts that you got on a downside, and the retest is getting filled, right? Okay, which means I must assess market structure shift, right? Okay, above these levels, if it happens to go for the longs, guys, we have a huge long on upper side, 0.7 percentage, but I think it needs to give you a small drop before it goes all the way in upper side, guys. Let's wait. Gold, gold, gold. Very minimum risks on gold. Okay, and from here we shot it. La 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 la. Almost hit it TP1 and returned it back. BTC. Gold move हो जा आराम से. Not expecting. Mid sideways again. Got stuck, guys, got stuck. Very minimum risks, huh? Gold long, guys. All right, very minimum risks, because without idea we are just planning for the pending orders to be filled. All right, okay, what I mean to say is keep your stop loss so tight. All right, don't keep it so long for the long side. Very minimum. Sideways, 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 little bit sideways, guys. दिल का ले गई चैन. The BTC is going good. Gold is coming out. Given a very small move, guys. Gold. Pending order तो है, guys. ऊपर. BTC क्या कर रहा है? Gold is not respecting, guys. We close now again. Gold is going rubbish in these levels, making a sideways, guys. Sideways again and again. Hated your entry again. BTC is going nice. Gold is not respecting. Very minor move it have given is 0.145 percentage only. गोल्ड को क्या करेगा इस this has a good chance of faking you out. डायरेक्टली आ गया तो इधर से शॉर्ट कर लेंगे. Wait now, gold, don't do anything guys, wait. If it comes directly short it. If it goes up, just take it this one, because this move is will be given or not, I don't know. If it directly clears this one, we'll directly short it for the gold below this levels. All right, if it moves on upper side, we'll short it from the top. Okay, for the gold, there's two levels. If it directly comes, we can directly short it from here, because this was the levels whereby the market have tried to break down, right? Okay, and market has stand this levels as a very strong supports, right? Okay, if it clears directly down, we are just playing out for the sideways over here, trying to clear the third levels. For the gold, little bit of small confusion that is standing over there, I guess. So I short BTC at 64,300. What's your view on BTC? I think it is going to go for the small drop down on the downside, I guess, right? Gold, if it comes down, right, we'll short it, okay, without giving second thoughts. This is the one level. I'm also thinking that, but above these levels, I think short ones shouldn't hold it, I guess, right? $64,403. All right, because above that levels, market is going to change the trend, which means that market is going to give you the big move on upper side. All right, okay, so for that reason, if you are holding for the downside, maybe maximum levels can be $64,402. All right, above that levels, if you try to hold it, that can be a big spike on upper side, whereby you will be approaching $0.723. Okay, so we are tracing our longs down. All right, okay. Right now you have done a good job, but it is still retesting. It doesn't mean that market have directly given you the sharper moves, right? Okay, so just hit it at TP1 for now for the BTC. All right, it doesn't mean that market have given you the bear move. It have gone out from the trend, all right, but the retest is not passed yet. In case if it passed this one, right, for a time being, you can expect the market to go down to this levels, all right, and fill up the gap, $63,821. All right, but you make sure that you're having a stop losses just above these levels. This is your major supporting point. All right, okay. Gold, if it comes directly, we are going to short it. All right, it's making sideways for you all, small sideways. BTC also in this, in the retest phase, guys. Just a second. तेरे मस्त मस्त धोने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त धोने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन gold. Wait for this levels, okay, to short it. We are not going to do anything in this levels. It might give you the pullback, but you are still in the sideways because of that one. You cannot take risks directly. For the longs, first move we take it, but you are still holding inside the sideways. Small sideways it has been creating in this levels right now because of that one, guys. All right. BTC, no comments. Gold playing around a lot. Fishy gold. Now take the reference of this line, guys, maybe. All right, TP1 done. Small move, okay, scalping firstly. We'll extend our scalping for once it happens to. If it happens to give you big move on the downside, breaks down below those levels, you observe whether it breaks down or not, or gets its rejections. .09. तेरे मस्त मस्त तूने your first SL recovered. All right, for the BTC. Gold is still staying in the sideways, guys. Have patience. Have patience, guys. Okay, have patience. For now, your long is upper side. That is market structure change, right? On upper side. This long is for the MSS market structure change. breaking out from my trend. Little bit chop here market, because why? Because you are standing in a bigger small sideways, that market is creating small sideways or noisy levels over here, so it is choppy over here right now. TP1 done, but very small scalp pullback. Gold still moving on upper side. If it goes, we'll short it from here, guys. Gold. Retest. Breaking out from my trend. Broke out from my trend. Still good. Let's wait and see, guys. All right, we can't do anything, we just wait and see. Still gold have not finished the move on upper side. One more move. Excuse me. BTC sideways again, playing around. Gold totally sideways right now, still stuck with the sideways. Well, almost 1 hour to start New York session, guys. All right, we have 1 hour to start with the New York sessions. I think gold got one more move on the upper side. Gold aggressively coming down again, sideways one more time, but it had broken out one more time for the upper side from the sideways. So we, in case if it happens to pass the retest, we will get a small move on the upper side, right guys? So this was the sideways that you are having, right? Broke out, right? Again, one more time, this is the retest. Okay, so this is the retest. If it happens to pass up, you are going to this levels one more time. From the sideways. Slowly we drag our levels to downside. Long levels at the same time. Patience, what to do, just wait. Hi bro, nice to see you. Peter, hi bro, what's up? So far so good. Peter. So far so good. Nice, gold. Get a spike. Gold playing around, couldn't pass through. The retest couldn't pass through right now, guys, for a 1 minute time frame. It broke out, the retest got rejections one more time. It can play up to this levels, maximum levels. It can come up to this levels for the gold. Below this levels, it shouldn't be holding it, right? Okay, if it goes below this levels, then it is going to go for the shots. So the retest, right, it broke out, and this is the retest right now you are experiencing in this levels right now. All right, okay, so retest got a first rejections, right, which is very bad. Okay, first retest got a rejections, which is very bad, guys. Second retest, let it see if it tries it up, right, how much it can throw up to. It shouldn't pass below this levels, guys. All right, so most probably you are having stop losses below this levels, $4,391. If it passes below, that becomes a shorts again, because you're in the sideways. All right, okay, so this is the retest. So retest should get passed. If it fails again and again, then boom, on a downside. All right, BTC, almost you need to book some profit, I guess, right, for the BTC scalping, because you are in the full retest zone, which is done, right? Your full retest zone is done. Okay, now above this levels long, right? Okay, book some profits, move your stop loss to the safe zone, and just let it flow, right? Okay, above this levels long stands over there. All right, above this levels. Gold is still stuck. Sir, what is the name of this candle game? The name of this candle game means what do you mean? It is just trading, brother Sandeep. Just trading. All right, scalping. All right, will try to listen to you as much as I can, but yet unfortunately at work. All good here. All right, yesterday hold it, hit SL once you finish broadcasting. Oh, all right. Well, SL at entry. For BTC it went good. I think for the gold, I guess, right, from the midway it happens to turn out for the upper side, I guess. So most probably what I told you all, right, most probably we were waiting for the upper side move, right? Okay, but at the same time we are just getting back to the pullback. Anytime when it comes up, right, like this zone, right, okay, for the BTC I have marked something like this, right? Some people thinks that I'm gambling over here. No, which means that it's from here, right, all the positions, short positions, should be closed, and from here market trend, you are applying for the market structure change. From here your fees changes, right, from one side to another side, right? Okay, so accordingly you have to plan it, right? But over here if it happens to move above these levels, I guess we are going to go for the long positions again, right? Okay, so this is also in the retest phase. All right, okay, so it shouldn't be passing above actually from this black levels, right, on upper side. Below this levels it is all shots, but above this levels if it happens to pass, that is market structure change, and it can give you the bigger moves on upper side, right, one more time. So you're waiting for that one, right? Okay, gold going good, right? All right, nice, gold. Okay, nice. Nice. Yeah, TP1 heated. All right, full trend level heated. I mean, like the retest for the BTC, the full retest levels heated for you right now. If it breaks below these levels, then and past the retest, then you are going to get crazy down. All right, quick scalp on the downside. Gold still playing around. Most probably I'm targeting for the shots from these levels, right? Okay, so actually you have to wait for those levels to come out for the shots for the gold. Hi Sachin, how are you? Better for gold. All right. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. BTC gave you almost 1.9 1.8 percentage, I guess, yesterday, right? Okay, yesterday for BTC. Retest getting failed. Retest getting failed, guys. Retest is getting failed. Shouldn't pass below those levels for the gold. Actually, this is the levels. So as long as it's not coming for your zone, you can keep holding for the gold on upper side, okay? But if it comes to the downside zone, which means the market tried it, right? The retest got failed, came down and broke down from the retest. I mean, like supports. That is a short, all right. But as long as you are not getting below, that's fine, okay? For the gold right now. There is one pending orders for the gold in these levels, guys. Okay, so two ways we can short it in these levels. One is without filling up the pending orders, one is after filling up the pending orders. So if it happens to move down without filling the pending orders, it might not give you all the big move on a downside case, right? From the certain levels, it is going to get reflection upper side and fill up this gap. All right, okay. It's coming for the shots one more time. Let it close. All right, it's coming for the shots again sideways. Just a second. Wait for a second, guys. Wait for a second. Wait for a second. Just wait, let it. One, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Let's target this much only for now. 1%, right? Not more than that. 1 second, guys. Don't short it right now. Just wait for 1 minute for the gold. BTC going crazy now. Stop loss should be at entry, guys. All right, for the BTC. For the gold, 1 sec. Let it return these candles. Okay, let's go for the gold. So we are ignoring the pending orders that we have on upper side, okay guys, for now. Okay, we are ignoring the pending orders that we have on upper side for now for the gold because of this sideways. All right, and we are taking shots from here. All right, okay, so it couldn't give you move as well, right, because of the sideways. So market, you can see the market was inside the sideways very dirty levels right over here for a while, right? So shots, right, one more time, TP1, TP2, TP3 and TP4, we can book something like this. All right. BTC pending orders, because of that one only we are getting fiat for the gold. Sideways, come out. Nice. Nice. Hi guys, welcome. A little bit tired, huh? I'm a little bit tired today. tired, damn tired today, guys. Gold still in the entries. Gold is really dead TAs right now. Longs only above these levels, okay, in case if it happens to return. Otherwise we'll try to go for the downside move, then only while coming in upper side we'll try to trace for the longs. We'll try to wait, have patience guys, wait. Okay, we'll try to wait a bit. Gold is not coming out from the sideways से नहीं निकल रहा है guys. Gold Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button guys, alright, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Okay, every day on 11 UTC onwards guys, alright, slow, patiently. We are aiming for pullback right now, guys. All right, you should know that one. Yesterday also we planned for the pullbacks. Today as well, same. Gold again playing inside the sideways. Gold is really dirty, guys. What to do with this gold? Came down again, trying to break out on upper side. Shouldn't pass above these levels. Okay, maybe we'll try to take minimum risks as possible, guys. All right, in this level for the gold. Small risks only. BTC also giving you all the baby steps right now. Going to your TP2. Shall go back. Gold really playing that T, guys. Gold is again trying to break out from this levels. It shouldn't break out this levels, guys. We'll try to take minimum risks. This levels, above this levels, previously it have tried to break out. There was, well, overall it is all in the sideways, right? Gold, guys. All right, okay. So we have a small sideways in this levels, guys, again. All right. So market, why we took shots? Market was trying to break out on upper side. The retest couldn't pass on upper side, right? And it came down and broke down below this levels. Now it is retesting this levels, right? So it should come down and clear this levels on a downside. Otherwise, again, you are getting sideways or moving on upper side, right? Okay, so small sideways you are facing again in the gold again and again. With a small confirmations, we try to take the shots. Breaking out on upper side means again it is playing around or it is moving on upper side. Shouldn't. Slowly we try to trace it. Gold is really dirty. Trying to break out, guys. Is it breaking out? It's breakout, guys. All right. Gold. I cannot trade today. It's really tiring. Gold is trying to break out for the upper side move one more time. मस्त मस्त ताने मेरा दिल का ले गई चैन. Gold, I think it is going to breach you all. Gold has higher chances of breaching you all. Stop loss now, we keep it over here, guys, not more than this one. We try to minimize our risks for the scalping. Very small stop loss. Playing around a lot. 1, 2, 3. Keep closing, guys. Gold, let's not play inside the gold right now. Gold is not very good at conditions. 0.05% again losses. Gold is really playing dirty with you all, guys. Not trading gold for a while. All sideways, all sideways. We'll open once it happens to clear it down from the sideways. Close it, guys. Gold, if you have not closed it, that's 0.03% only. That's nice. You can keep closing, guys. It is playing around inside the sideways. Not me, guys. All right, the gold is, the condition is not good right now. All right, Chandresh, hi. Bias is bearish, but I'm waiting for the take liquidity. Yeah, there is one liquidity, the pending orders that's standing in a $4,408. So because of that one, it keeps you making a sideways, all the playing around, right? Okay, for the gold, we need to wait a lot for now, I guess. There is one level inside this one. Because of that one, gold is, but gold right now conditions, you see, it's all in sideways. If it gives without liquidity, because like liquidity, there is a two liquidities over here. One liquidity stands on the downside and one liquidity stands on upper side. Because of that one, right? Okay, so market has a chances without moving liquidity also over here. Okay, the gold have a chances, good chances of moving without the liquidity as well. Why, guys? Why? Because the market is, there is a liquidity on upper side, there is a liquidity, bigger liquidity on downside. All right, okay, so market sometimes, so there are two liquidities, right? Okay, so inverted head and shoulder patterns that you have on the downside, right, as well as market going back for the liquidity to grabbing a liquidity, right? Sometimes it takes out both, right? But sometimes you have to observe it, right? Okay, you have to observe it. Market happens to move without the liquidity in such cases. All right, okay, in fact, if you have a good liquidity, so I don't know which side the liquidity is going to take it for now. All right, for the gold, if it gives directly, that's well and good, but it's really risky to take shots right now because of the sideways it have formed. until and unless it have broke down from this levels, right? That would be good chances for us to go for the downside move, because the market is, you see guys, all its place moving in the same place right now. Below this levels, right, there can be a good shots. Market might like to move without liquidity as well. All right, that's the chances. Okay. But gold, I don't know, it can be a risky as well. We are not going to take much risks at all. Small risks only for the gold. I cannot take very big risks because of the sideways. BT. All right, coming down. We'll take one chance one more time, right below this levels. Upper side is inside the sideways, all sideways, so cannot take it directly as well. Both the side there is liquidity, guys. Okay, there one, there down one. BTC no issue, it's going fluently. Gold we have to wait it. All right, okay, below this levels there is a good range on the downside. Otherwise we have to take it from the top with the liquidations. Almost TP done for the PT, right? Almost TP done. BT is going good. New York session's about to start, right guys? Maybe 10 to 20 minutes left. If it clears out below this levels, we'll wait for this levels to open, go for the longs. Gold, wait, okay guys, let it finish it up, then only we'll plan. Just two things. Nice, all TP seated, right? Now if you wanted to hold, right guys, for the BT, move your stop loss maybe a little bit in safe zone, right? And you can keep holding, right? Okay, so how much it gives, take it guys. All right, okay, if it happens to give this one, that's well and good, right? Okay, so that's going to be a 30 piece for the BTC. All right guys, 30 piece for your BTC. Okay, how much it gives, keep trailing your stop losses towards the downside, right? Okay, let me delete this one. Gold is still playing around. Gold is not good yet. TP's heated guys. All right, if you wanted to hold, book some profits, and if you want to hold, you can keep continuing on the downside. Nailamit, hi bro. Chandresh, hi bro. Hi everyone, hi. Gold want to take risks, but I think it's still sideways again. No use guys, again very risky if I take risks from the top. It is not moving at all. It is making sideways, 0.16 percentage extra. All right, extra, you have it. Yeah, TP's done, right guys, for the gold BTC. All right, if you want to hold furthermore, move your stop loss to the safe zone and you can keep holding it, right? BTC nice, right guys? Okay, so a little bit tired I am guys. All right, books up some profits guys. All right, okay, don't be lazy to book profits, right? Whatever you got, whatever you get, you need to take it, right? Okay, gold still playing around a lot guys, lot. If it gives liquidity, well and good. New York sessions starts soon. New York session starts soon guys. Gold have to wait a bit. Wait, have patience, guys. Patience required. All right, just a second, I'm getting call. Gold, no opportunities, guys, for you all yet. Sideways, because of sideways, we are not getting opportunities in the gold, guys. It's too noisy over here. So far so good, guys. All right, gold too noisy, guys. When the New York session starts, I don't know what it's going to do it for you all. Gold gives you up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. No opportunities yet. Gold coming up, noisy gold coming up without liquidations. आते ही नहीं है यार. Longs very far right now, guys. Okay, longs are very far right now, guys. Longs are far. Okay, breakout. Gold, I'm sorry, guys. Today, gold, no opportunity. All right, you getting very small moves. All right, which is very boring, guys, for you all. Gold is damn crazy boring for now. For the BT, guys, all right, it has a chance of directly getting reversed from here as well. All right, okay, on upper side. If it comes below, right, below the zone, later on what you are going to do is wait for the market to break above these levels, and you are going to plan longs and trying to push you on upper side. All right, okay, maybe a zone of $64,781. All right, if it happens to directly move up, then we are going to trace a small retest zone, then only we will plan it. But most probably I think it should be able to give you a small move on the downside. So overall, the sideways of BTs right now, all right, you have been tracing a pullback on a sideways. Okay, so this was the level whereby the BT was playing inside this one, $64,316 and $64,140, right? Market tried to give you the breakouts on the upper side, right? Okay, on the retest phase it couldn't pass up, so it returned back from here again, tried to break down from the support. There was a good short positions, right? Again try to go up, again try to break out above the sideways, right? Okay, and came down and right. So firstly first breakout it was there, right, and the second times it breakouts on a downside as well, right? So we are counting from the second levels now, right? Okay, so first levels, so market try to break out on the upper side, market try to break out on the downside, right? Okay, so next thing is again market went up and breakouts on upper side, all right? Okay, so whereby you are getting continuously sideways, right? Okay, so if it happens to get reversed from here and breaks out on upper side, that can be a good long on the upper side, guys. All right, okay, without tensions, right? Okay, so what do we need? Breakout, rejections and confirmations, right? So market tried to break out on upper side again, got a rejections, but it couldn't confirm, right? On upper side again it got down, so you got again breakouts. Okay, you got, if you get a retest, I mean like rejection from here, okay, you are going to get a upper side move. If it breaks out, then we can directly plan longs, right? Okay, but in case if it happens to again give you the rejections, right, if it is not able to again breaks out, then again we need to count for the next one. So we are counting on the sideways again and again, right? We are waiting for that one. All right, guys, so at the same time, if you are counting this one, right, you got a rejections, right, on upper side it couldn't push you on upper side, right? Again you got a rejections, two times rejections in this levels, right? If it happens to clear this one, it might like to give you a boom on the downside as well. That's also possible. All right, Hope that is not confusing you all. I'm trying my best, right? Rest. You understand, right? Okay, so that's the thing, guys. So you are in the sideways for the 5 minutes time frame, still in the sideways. At the same time, you have the small sideways in this levels as well. So between this one yellow zone, let me mark this one with a different color, right? So it won't be color blindness. Purple, and you gotta move between this two. Maybe it will try to give you a big boom on the downside. Let me not confuse you all. So overall, you know that market is on the sideways for the gold as well as BTC, right? Gold is not able to push you on upper side for them so many times, guys. It is not really pushing you up. Okay, let's take one risk for the gold, right? One more time. 0.1%. BTC gold is not able to push you on upper side. I don't know why. All right, very small risks, guys. All right. BTC is going crazy. BTC is going crazy. Nice. Gold still stuck. Okay, we are taking risks again for the gold. Okay, otherwise gold, guys, it's too bad for you all. Try to go with the minimum fund for the gold. All right. You requires breakout and a small retest to be done. All right, and confirm it. All right. Okay, so on the breakouts, let's wait for the retest. Wait, guys, we need to clear this one to go for the long from here. Bitcoin needs to clear this one, right? If it clears this one and comes up again and try to break out above these levels, we can trust an upper side. One more time. Gold still playing around. Gold is today, guys, no more. Very bad, very bad. New York session's about to start, guys. All right, it doesn't mean that market is going to reverse from here. Okay, in case if it reverse, all right, okay, we are going to take one long from here and try to push an upper side. Okay, if it keeps moving in an outside, that's well and good, right? Okay. Gold lovers, New York sessions about to start, guys. New York sessions होने वाला है, होने वाला है, होने वाला है. BTC nice. Okay, Good. Okay, nice. One more step down. BD. Gold is bullshit guys today. Bullshit हो रहा है guys. Gold कुछ पता ही नहीं पा रहा है क्या करूं. गोल्ड के लिए क्या करूं गाइस, कुछ अता पता नहीं है. If it goes below this levels, this positions becomes invalid guys, okay, because this can make you a lot loss, right? Because market was squeezing over here, firstly it was having lower lows, all right, but again it tries to make you highs, right? But it couldn't close you on a lower lows, right? Okay, if it closed lower lows, then you might like to get small pullback on a downside, continuous pullback, whereby your long positions can be invalid, right? Again, New York session's about to start. Gold. All right, nice. Okay, nice. So far so good. Keep tracing down, right? Okay, if it happens to keep tracing down, right? So maybe you might like to have stop loss in the zone, maybe, right? Okay, $64,246, right? Okay, and if you want to hold after booking some profit when it hits down, right, you can keep holding it down, right? Maybe in this zone you might like to have stop losses. Okay, you can have stop losses on that zone. Gold. All right. Keep tracing it, guys. Keep tracing it. Keep tracing it. Keep tracing it, guys. Let's go. Okay, nice. Gold still stuck. Let's wait for New York sessions, what it does. I just want to see what the New York session does. Okay, let's go guys. All right, gold TP 1 2 3 4. Gold can be a rubbish. Gold is really boring, a little bit boring, guys. Gold is a little bit boring. Gold, we should be looking sell from liquidation level, right? Gold, I have taken a small risk from here, but yeah, liquidation level is there, one over here, right? Okay, so once it happens to complete, if you take it from there, it is more confident, guys. All right, okay, it has any time chances that it might like to go for the liquidations. All right, okay, but if it gives without liquidations, right, there is a liquidation on downside as well as a liquidation on upper side. Sometimes we never know which side the liquidation is given, right? Okay, will be given. But New York session is about to start. Let's see, guys. All right, what happens, right? Okay. Very tricky. Gold is very tricky. It's in the sideways right now, guys. Gold, it is total in the sideways. Okay, it's a very tricky and very risky area. Gold, BTC, if it happens to return and breaks out above these levels, we can go for the longs, right? Okay, but instead, if it happens to never go up and give you the retest, right, we can keep continuing on the downside. It might like to give you the $63,824 as well. That's also possible, guys. All right, okay, for now we keep tracing on the downside, right? How much it gives, stay, yeah. I just wanted to see what the New York session does. I'm waiting for that one, guys. So first 10 to 15 minutes, don't try to plan on New York sessions, guys. All right, it's going to be boring. All right, okay, it might like to give you the fake moves as well, very random moves. Nice. Okay, yeah, TP, third TP is also done, guys. All right, book some profits. Cool, Shahan. Hi bro, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Okay, so all right, every day 11 UTC onwards, guys. All right, okay, it's always on 11. Oh, New York session started. Let's see what it does, guys. I don't know. New York sessions started now. All right, okay. Okay, New York sessions, it does. Let's see, guys. Keep tracing, right? If it happens to give, if it favors, that's well and good, right? Gold, you see, guys, I told you liquidations. TP1, TP2 done. All right, okay, So this is how what it does, guys. All right, there are two levels of liquidations in these levels. So I was having a doubt whether the market is trying to give you an upper side or downside. All right, okay, so New York sessions also favored you, all right, see. All right, but let's see whether it continues or not, right? Okay, there is a one liquidations and downside one liquidations. Boom, given downside, guys, for the gold from the sideways. Very, it have given you only how much? 0.3 percentage move, guys. New York sessions trying to push you on upper side for the BTC. BTC trying to move on the upper side. For the longs, right, it needs to break above these levels, pass the retest, right, then only we can longer. All right, okay, don't try to long directly, right? It sometimes it becomes, sometimes the New York sessions gives move without the retest as well. All right, if it is long from here, maybe this ranges you can get it firstly, sure one, 0.21 percentage. First 5 to 10 minutes New York sessions is going to be boring. Gold went up to hit your stop loss, right? Gave a boom on a down, only to be one done, right? Again it went back to the sideways box one more time. All right, okay, if it comes back, right, we can take same levels right over here, right? Okay, once the market happens to go up and come down, maybe the liquidations, right, then we can take it for the short one more time for the gold. All right, below those levels. While going on upper side, you are not going to do anything. While coming down, we are going to operate short positions and go down, right? Okay. BTC is still good, right? Not able to pass you on upper side. BTC is still good, right? BTC is playing around a bit. See whether it breaks out on upper side or not. As long as you are not breaking out, maybe those who are holding for the shots, you need to have stop loss above these levels, right? So that in case if it happens to give you the breakouts on upper side, you can get out. Otherwise, you can keep holding on a downside, right? Okay. Gold में क्या हो रहा है, guys? If it gives the liquidations on upper side, you can take it. Otherwise, if it comes directly, we can directly take it from this levels, $4,385 as well. If it directly comes without liquidations, we have a major liquidations on a downside. Nice. BTC still going good. Gold went for the liquidations on upper side. Yes, so while coming down, you can take it from this levels, okay, for the gold. While coming down, returns it back from this levels, right? You can take it short from here. If it does, while going on upper side, don't do anything, right? While coming down, we can take it below these levels and take further liquidations on our side. If it breaks out, we can take long from here, guys. And trace our TP is going to be around $64,648 if it breaks out. Still good, right? For the shots, still going good. Still moving up. No, 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 no. Just a second. All right, guys. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, what's happening? All right, okay, coming back. Let's go, guys. Gold, we'll try to short it, right? Gold, BTC. Oh, waiting for the small retest. Okay, guys, let's wait for the small retest to be done. Then only we'll try to long. Okay. It needs to pass the retest, right? So let's wait for that one. If it moves directly up from here, no problem, we can go for long. All right, okay. But in case if it happens to get rejection, if it never goes up above this rate levels, right, we need to wait for the retest, because this line, this levels, if it directly push up, then it is making higher highs, and that will react as a retest zone, which will be getting you the move on the upper side, right? What I mean to say is, guys, all right, though this New York sessions, right, guys, okay, in case if it happens to give you the move above this levels, we'll directly long and try to target an upper side. Okay, otherwise what we are going to do is in this levels, right, so wait for the market to pass from this levels. Okay, and with that only we'll try to long it. All right, okay, this is a breakout and this is the retest, right? So once the retest gets passed, then we are going to long and go on upper side. Excuse me. All right, one liquidation taken. Small left of the gold. Excuse me. New York sessions, right? New York session is going to give you the random moves. Just try to be careful, guys. Wait. Those who are holding for the shorts also, as long as you're not getting out from the retest phase, it's fine. But once you happens to get out from the retest phase, then you have to close your short positions. All right, 1 minute time frame, giving you a retest. Okay, guys, those who are holding for the shorts as well, right, if you are holding it, right, until and unless you're not getting out from the retest phase, it's fine. All right, but once you get out from this retest phase, then you need to close up your short positions and try to move on upper side, right? Okay, let's go. BD Tuesday. For now, 0.47% given. For the gold, right, firstly try to give you all the move on the downside, right, which was given only this much, right? Okay, and it went up. All right, only 0.3% was given, right? Let it move up, right? $4,404. There is a gap. Guys, 1 minute time frame has a gap over here as well. 4,425. Wait, guys, okay, those who wanted to go for the longs, let's wait, have patience. Wait, have patience, wait. All right, for shorts also, once it happens to get out from retest phase, then only you can close it, right? Those who are holding on shorts. Until and unless you are in the retest phase, doesn't mean that market have broken out on upper side. It doesn't mean that it's a bull side, right? It's not on upper side. Okay, so once it happens to, it is in the verge of converting the shorter moves towards the upper side, it can feel it as well, right? Okay, but once it happens to get out from these levels, that means that market is now maybe right a longer side, right? Okay, so you have to know that one, guys. All right. Still feels like the BTC can give you a bigger drops. New York sessions. All right. Okay, let's go for the BD gold. A short positions one more time, right? Okay.
Mo agi-agi na ito.
Let's go, guys, for the long now. All right. Hopefully it is not faking us out, right, guys? Okay. Hopefully not faking us out. All right. Stop loss below these levels, right? No fake out, guys. PD, no fake out. New York sessions, then don't do anything. Fake outs, nothing else, right? Okay. So. Let's go, beat it. A champion, BD, champion. Let's go. Tired, guys. All right. It's tiring. Below this levels, not holding, guys. All right. We have stop loss over here. All right. TP1, TP2. Okay. TP3. All right. 3 TPs. After that, how much it goes, just keep tracing it up, right? New York sessions, a little bit careful, right? Okay, so New York sessions happens to fake us out a lot, right? Okay, let's hopefully, right, given a retest pass as well, right? You can see, all right, trend got a breakout and it got passed, right? Okay, so again retesting it, let's see. All right, Hopefully, yeah, hopefully. This can't be true. This can't be true. One, two, three, 31. Yeah, alright, guys, New York session. No way, guys. Got breached, I guess, guys. This got us top out, I guess. Nicely faked out. So this New York sessions, guys, always does something like this, right? I never wanted to trade in this New York sessions. We got a breakout from the trend, breakout from the retest phase, and again came down. That is acting as a retest, but it might like to extend all the way towards downside. So what we are going to do now, guys, let's try to wait for a few minutes and I'll let you know. Right, below this levels we won't hold on. Very just minor one. Stop loss hits means hits, guys. All right, we need to respect that one and move on. If it hits, we respect that one and move on. All right. Nicely faked out. Stop loss done, guys. All right. Okay, stop loss is out, I guess. So what we can do is we can wait for the same levels to go for the upper side move, right? Okay, once it happens to approach an upper side. All right. Okay, downside, don't focus it. Wherever it goes, it might like to go for liquidations. It might like to go all the way towards downside till this levels as well. That's also possible, right? So I think it is faking you out for the New York sessions for now, right? Okay, so if completing below this levels can be a shorter positions again one more time. So in this New York sessions always happens something like that. It tries to give you the random moves. All right. Okay, you should be very careful. So we had a loss of 0.14 percentage, guys. All right. Okay, so 0.14 percentage is this one here, 0.2 percentage. All right. Okay. All right, so I've lost this levels. Nicely faked out the longs. Gold going good, right? Okay, so gold still going good right now. I think it should be giving you down as well, gold. So for the longer moves, right, again next move you are going to wait for the same levels. All right, and once it happens to clarify an upper side, then only you try to plan a little bit upper side. Okay, so same levels of TPs you are going to move with 0.69 percentage. Right now I think the gold BTC needs to drop a little bit down because you got a fake out, you knew it, right? Okay, so I think it needs to clear down now. All right, a little bit downside. Gold now finally it's coming down. All right. Okay, small liquidations taken from the top. Okay, stop loss a little bit smaller. It happened. I think that's all for today because like in New York sessions I don't want to trade, guys. All right, there will be lots of random things. All right. Okay. New York session is going to give you the random moves up and down, up and down. Right now it is still in the retest phase right now. Okay, guys, still in the retest phase. it shouldn't pass above this levels. Again, it will become long, so it shouldn't pass above this levels. It should come down and clear this out. If it is a fake out, passed up, broke out towards downside, it's taking out stop loss again. Okay guys, that's all for today, right? Okay, so we don't want to trade now. All right, okay, again it is trying to give you the quick spiky moves, all right, which is trying to take you out again and again. All right, so you should know that one right now. Okay, you are still in the sideways I mean like retest phase. Okay, so market have given you the 5 minutes retest phase right now. All right, given a breakouts retest phase again. How much it will try, I don't know, but I think market is going to, if it comes below again, that's going to approach you towards the downside only. $63,000. This is what I'm feeling right now, but not trading for today. Now I'm done. All right, okay, so we have taken a few trades, 3 trades, okay, in the BTC. All right, and 2 stop loss haunted, right? 0.1%, 0.1% and 0.0, how much guys, 0 point something, yes, 0.1%, right? Okay, so 2 stop losses haunted, so we are not trading now. Okay, so still it is still in the side retest phase. It might like to give you the random moves. So after the New York sessions only I'm going to trade it. All right, so after New York sessions, maybe upper side or downside, right? Okay, so in fact the one liquidations have been taken out, right? Okay, it has a good chance of moving at upper side as well, but it is still in the deciding phase, right? Below this levels becomes a shorts, above this level, so you are standing between the shorts and the longs, right? Below this levels there is a short standing below. All right, there will be huge shorts on a downside. A quick move on the downside can be expected from here towards the downside. All right, above this levels there will be a long, right? Okay, which means that the market have already broken out, right, on upper side. Again the retest. Okay, so double retest. The first one is swapped. Again the market is doing the retest on upper side. Okay, if it clears out, that's well and good. So you are getting towards 0.69% on upper side. Okay, most probably I'm thinking for the upper side only, but maybe after New York session, if it's not able to give you in the New York sessions, right? Okay, after the New York sessions, if it gives breakouts, that's well and good, but I'm done for today. Okay, so we'll come back tomorrow again one more time and try to trade. All right, okay, it is a little bit fishy right now. Okay, so it's trying to swap you again and again. Just try to be careful in the New York sessions. So after New York sessions ends, then I might like to trade again. All right, okay, so that's all guys. All right, so how about gold? Gold, what happened to gold? Gold still playing in the zone right now. All right, okay, so I think gold should be expecting this one liquidations and a downside, I guess. Most probably I feel that way. All right, it will try to play around a bit and it will try to move on a downside only, I guess, right? Gold, I think it should be moving in a down only, but for the BTC it is going to play around a bit, right? Okay, try to just like yesterday, right? Okay, but that's before the New York session, so we could bear it, right? But right now if you wanted to plan it guys, all right, because you are coming out from the retest phase just in the verge, right? So what you can do is, right, so rather than taking from this levels, right, what you can do is, now it's making higher highs. The third higher highs will be in upper side, so you might like to take from the upper side and go up, right? Still playing around. Gold is also all right. It should be doing something like this only, I guess. Gold play around, maybe go up to this levels and swap you down all the way towards downside maximum levels it can. So above this levels, don't try to hold 40409, because there above these levels it becomes very huge loss for you all. 0.4 percentage, right guys? Okay, so most probably you can play around guys. All right. BTC is still in the New York sessions, just try to avoid a little bit guys. All right, So after the higher highs, if it makes higher highs, then you can take it on, right? So still it is at the risks right now. Okay, it has a good chances of giving you the big boom downside. All right guys, okay, so that's all guys. I need to go now. All right, we have taken a couple of trades, all right, whereby few have done a stop loss and few have. Right now it's going out from the, I don't know, it's going to give you, if it fakes out, I don't know guys. All right, it's going for the long zone only. This is my long zone. All right, it's again coming back to my long zone. If it gives, well and good, right? Okay, it might like to go up to 64,000 zones or even more than that one as well. All right, okay, so that's a good chances of going up, right? But New York session is a little bit, you need to careful guys. All right, New York session always fakes you out, right? First 5 to 10 minutes, right? New York sessions, it always removes my stop losses too quickly. The moves are very volatile and it keeps haunting it, right guys? Now it's giving you the moves after removing my stop loss. Anyways guys, that's all for today. You manage your risks well and take care, have a good time, right? And if you are making losses, just close the trade and slip, right? If you are making profits, close the trade and slip, right? I'm done. All right, so maybe tomorrow. Gold today we couldn't trade well, right? Okay, why I don't know, I'm getting scratch over here. One liquidation is taken, I think, right? BTC, I think it should be able to give you some moves on the upper side. I feel it, right? All right, that's all guys. Gold stop loss will be hit soon. Heated guys, gold stop loss is heated. We can wait for the shots again. All right, gold has its liquidations. Gold, I will be planning for the shots on there, right? Okay, so most probably gold today, it's very bad day for us, right? BTC now it is maybe a quick recovery for you all, right? Okay, so for the 2 stop losses out, you have around how much percentage guys for the gold, I mean like BTC? 0.9, almost 1%. You have everything, it can be recovered from here, I guess. Just 2 stop loss out, right? I'm done, but all right. Rest, you manage your risks and trade it well. All right, so I'll try to see you all tomorrow, right? Okay, at the same time, 11 UTC. All right, okay. It's giving you a nice move. Gold still start, it will try to play around within this box. I feel if it moves above these levels, then gold can go very $4,425. I still feel that gold needs to come down, but your stop loss will be recovered once you hit this one, and 1% is enough to recover your stop loss, I guess, for the gold, right? BTC is going crazy. If you want to ask me anything right before I leave it, right? Okay, maybe 1 minute, I'll wait and we'll try to close for today. Gold maximum level is this one only. If it moves above this levels, it is going to be boring again. All right, there is one levels whereby you can get liquidations for $1,425. Still one levels left, but I think gold should be getting reversed from here only towards the downside. It's really going for the liquidations. If it is really going for the liquidations, right? Okay, that's all guys. Have a good time, take care, and yeah, BTC, I think slowly it is going to move on upper side, right? Okay, so have a good time. New York sessions, I don't like to trade because it quickly removes my stop loss too frequently, right? Okay, anyways, that's all guys. Have a good time. And gold, now you can, I think you can go for the move. This is the last move. I told you this is the random move. I guess above your stop loss should be above these levels, right? Just getting below and targeting 1% on the downside. Cool, right? Okay, that's all, guys. Have a good time. Take care. Love you all. Signing off, Dragon. I'll see you all tomorrow, 11 UTC.